Hello everyone, this is K.Naga Suresh, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Aditya University. Today we are going to discuss about orthographic projection to isometric projection in engineering graphics. So in this learning outcomes, construct 3D isometric views from given 2D orthographic projections by using AutoCAD software and solve the simple problem related to the orthographic projection to isometric projection. So what is the meaning of orthographic to isometric projection? Here it is the process of taking any 2D or two-dimensional orthographic views like front view, top view, side view of the two-dimensional object and combining them into conversion of single object like three-dimensional object or 3D isometric drawing is nothing but orthographic to isometric projection. So this is the simple problem related to the orthographic projection to isometric projection. Here, draw the isometric view of a given orthographic projection by using AutoCAD software. So here, this is the orthographic object. They are given front view of the object, side view of the object and top view of the object. This projection is nothing but first angle projection method. Here, the top view is projected in the below the front view, and here we draw the isometric view to conversion of orthographic view. First one, if you select the any view, that is front view, side view and top view, in which view object is perfectly drawn by using AutoCAD software, we have to analyze. Yes, and first one, here we need to draw the this component. First we will start the top view of the component. Yes. So in this top view of the component, we take the 48 mm height. So the height of the component is 48 and width of the component is 72. Yes. Go to the AutoCAD. First we will do the some screen settings. Units, this is the first screen setting. Units, enter. Precision 0.0 and click OK. Limits, 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 enter. 0, 0, enter. 420, 297, enter. Z, enter. A, enter. So that is called second screen setting. Third screen setting, D, enter. Dimension style manager. Go to the modify. Symbols and arrows. Arrow size is 4. Text height is also 4. And primary units, precision 0.0, click OK, close. And fourth screen setting is switch on the isometric drawing. Okay, so switch on the isometric drawing here also. Okay, and next we will draw the final component, that is isometric drawing. First we will draw the component. We will start from the top view and side view. Okay, draw the height of the object, first 48. Take the polyline command. Make sure switch on the ortho mode F8, 48. And next one. So what is the width of the component in side view? 72. 72. And again, here the climbing steps are there, like stairs are there. What is the height of the stair? 16. Again 24 and 16, 24. Okay, like that the dimension is there, 16, 24, 16, 24, 16, again 24. Okay, and next one, identify the top view. In the top view, the length of the top view is 104. Again, so the height of the top view is 72. Go to the drawing, take the polyline command. So change the isometric view and draw the 104. And next one, so this is 72. 72. And again, this is 24. Okay, and again take the polyline command. This is 80 and close here. So in this top view, the L-shaped surface is came. Next, in this top view, these stairs also visible. Okay. So take the polyline. So height of the stairs is, go to the isoscale, change it into isoscale angle. So this is 16. Draw the component. And again, this is 24 and join here. And again, this is 16 and join this end point. Again, same phenomena. This is 24 and join here. Okay. And next one, we need to draw the front portion. This is the front portion. This L shape is visible. Go to the AutoCAD, go to the polyline, change the isometric scale. So what is the full length? 104 and join here. Again, same phenomena, join from here to here. So this is the isometric drawing. In that isometric drawing, based on the front view, top view and side view, we will construct the 3D object. The 3D object is nothing but 3D isometric drawing based upon the 2D components or 2D surfaces like front view, top view, side view. After completion of that, this component, so we need to give the width. Go to the poly edit, PE, enter, select the object, go to the width, give 0.4. If it is not sufficient to increase the or edit the width, go to the width 0.8. Okay, double enter or double click on the enter button, it will be edited. 0.8. We need to show the object line and dimension line. Give some thickness of the object. When you press the double click on the enter button, the same command is continued. So this is the final 3D component or 3D isometric drawing which coming from the 2D orthographic projection. After completion of that, give the dimension of the object, go to the aligned, give the dimension like that. So if it is the dimension letter is not visible properly, go to the dimension style manager, D enter, change the dimension letter size. Dimension style manager, modify, symbols and arrow size is 6 and the text height is also 6 and click OK, close. So the dimension letter size is increased. Likewise, you give the dimension. Yes, so this is the conversion of orthographic projection to isometric projection. Based on the front view and top view and side view of the object, we will prepare the 3-dimensional object, that is called 3D isometric drawing. Yes. So this is the summary of the today's class. Draw the 3D isometric view of a given 2D orthographic projection by using AutoCAD software, and simple problem on the orthographic projection to isometric projection. Thank you everyone.